Mahadev Temple, Tamlisulla, 8 months ago. Can you believe it? It has been 8 months since I've taken you guys to a temple. So today, let's go to one of the most famous temples in Goa. Let's go. Oh yeah, if you're new to the channel and if you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Amoghhk and I like to capture memories through my camera and share it online through my channel to you guys. So if you are interested in content related to motorbikes, traveling and exploring Goa, which is my home state, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And comment down below which temple in Goa is your favorite. Let's go. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. Yes, today we have decided to take the car as it is just too hot outside. So our destination for today is around 45 kilometers from my house and it will take around 1 hour. So right now we are going through Margao city and from here the temple is around 21 kilometers. This temple and the deity itself has a very rich history, which I would show next, taken from the official website of the temple. You can pause the video and read it if you want to. For the location and direction to the temple, they are available on Google Maps. And I would link them in the description of this video, so feel free to check it out. The temple is surrounded by greenery and boasts of ample parking space all around. Also, the premises of the temple has been kept very clean and neat by the authorities here. Now, let's have a closer look at the temple from outside. Next, we also visited another temple which is hardly a kilometer away from this temple. The vibrations at both the temples were truly divine and powerful. I would advise you to visit the temple during weekdays because the rush here during weekdays is very less compared to the weekends. Both the temples are well constructed and very well maintained. And as always, with the sun setting, it was time to head back home. Here are the top comments of my previous video and comment this time around to be featured in my next video. And if you all made it till here and like what you saw, do click the like button, and if you did not, do share your feedback, and I will see you in my next video.